everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be all about keto, my keto grocery that I just went and bought yesterday. I got chicken breasts. Why my mind be going blank? I got chicken breast, broccoli, almond milk, cheese, and a whole bunch of stuff just to make my meal today. So if you're tuning in for the very first time, I want to say thank you so much, and I hope that you would like and subscribe to this channel to see more from me. And if you're returning, then that is great. You know, I love you all. Thank you so much for returning to my videos once again. So today is going to be all about my meal that I prepped. It's only going to be a 2-day meal prep. I'm eating it today and tomorrow because I do not like leftovers like that. So I'm going to eat it today and I'm going to eat it tomorrow. All it is some chicken. It's a very simple little recipe. I marinated it in a couple of seasonings overnight, and I'm back this morning to do the cooking and everything for you guys so that you can see. I won't be eating it until later on tonight when I get off of work, but I went ahead and get this video out for you guys so you can see what I'm eating while I am on my keto. So basically what keto is, if you do not know, is it's supposed to put your body into ketosis. What it is high fat, moderate protein, low carb, absolutely no sugar. So it's making your body, instead of running off of sugar, your body is going to be running off of fat, which is so great because you get to burn more fat even while you sleep. And if your goal is to burn fat, then that's great. You need to be doing keto. So like and subscribe to this channel. Stay tuned for the video, guys. All right, so I am back. It's actually the next morning right now because I wanted to let my chicken marinate overnight. So now I'm getting ready to cook my meal, and I want to show y'all what all I have because I didn't show y'all this. I'm going to be using this plant butter. Got this from Walmart, and I think I showed y'all everything else. So yeah, here is my chicken. I just marinated it and covered it with a little bowl cover. But here's the chicken, and I will show y'all the seasonings that I use, and you probably can tell that there's some garlic in there. I love garlic. So I'm about to cook my chicken. My broccoli, I'm gonna make a little cheese sauce for my broccoli, and everything is keto approved 100%. So don't worry about that, and you're gonna get right into this cooking part of the video. All right, so for my chicken, I'm just gonna use a little skillet like this, a little olive oil in the pan. I did use some of this olive oil to also put on my chicken and marinate it. And while it's getting hot, I'm gonna show y'all the seasonings that I used. So you don't need a lot, but you can always just add to the fat content. And I have my heat on medium. And heat up your olive oil in the pan. I want to show you guys my seasonings. So I used a little bit of this Chef Papadome's Seafood Magic, and I know this is not seafood, but I love this stuff. And of course, no sugar is in this. I also used paprika. Not gonna show it because you all know what paprika is. I used garlic powder, granulated garlic, organic. I used this. I used some of this Jamaican curry powder, and it's the mild one, I believe. So I used a little bit of this and black pepper and garlic. That's literally all I use to marinate the chicken. So right now my pan is still heating up. So my pan is definitely hot. I'm just going to take my chicken and put it in there. And now it is frying. So I'm going to give you guys a little shot of the chicken. That's what it looks like, and it's cooking. I'm gonna turn the heat on medium. So I'm gonna let my chicken cook on medium. And now I also cut up some little bell peppers, red bell pepper. I told you I had, so I'm gonna put it in my chicken. I'm gonna sit it to the side for right now. I'm gonna let the chicken cook a little bit more. And I'm going to get some water boiling in here for my broccoli. Just gonna take a little lid and pop it on that so that water can boil. Yeah, and that's pretty much it for now. I'm gonna come back when my water is boiling and my chicken is ready to put the bell peppers in. Oh my gosh.
You don't have very long.
What is your verdict? Find the defendant guilty. The deadly narcotic. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, you've got to get a hold of yourself.
Alright y'all, so here is my finished product. You could probably go ahead and bake your broccoli and cheese if you want it to be a little more stiff. Mine was kind of runny because I did use a little bit too much milk. But this is my very first keto meal and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Also, I did go ahead and add some of that plant butter off camera to my broccoli. And that's it, y'all. This will be my keto meal, my very first keto meal. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, y'all. Like and subscribe for more videos like these so I can know what you guys like. Leave some comments below if you want to see anything specific, and I'll see y'all in my next video.